Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're tired of paying for extra apps on your Shopify store, or you just want to tidy up your dashboard and save a little money, today's tutorial is going to help you out. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to quickly and easily cancel a Shopify app subscription. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get rid of any unnecessary apps. Make your monthly bill a bit lighter and keep your store running smoothly. Let's get right into it. First things first, open up your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you control everything for your store, so it's ground zero for managing your apps too. If you have a lot of apps, it can feel a bit cluttered, but don't worry. Canceling is straightforward once you know where to look. From your dashboard, head to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find Settings. Clicking this button opens up all the behind-the-scenes areas of your store, like payment, checkout, and of course the section we need today, which is Apps and Sales Channels. Now tap on that option. Shopify keeps all your app activity here, and you'll see a list of every app currently installed on your store. Take a moment to look through your apps. Maybe you added a few for marketing, some for design tweaks, or others for tracking analytics. If you're like most store owners, it's easy for these apps to pile up over time. But more apps doesn't always mean better results, especially when you're paying for subscriptions you don't use. Now, when you spot the app you want to cancel, the one that's costing you a little too much or you just don't need anymore, look to the far right of its row. There, you'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. These are more than just decoration. They're a menu. Click on those dots and a little pop-up will show you a few options. You're looking to uninstall, and that's exactly what you'll select. When you hit uninstall, Shopify will remove the app from your store. And this is the key part. It will also cancel any ongoing subscription you had with that app. No more monthly charges, and you won't see it cluttering up your dashboard again. If the app handled important tasks, shop owners sometimes worry that things will break when uninstalling. But Shopify is pretty good at gracefully removing apps without disrupting your store. Still, if you're ever unsure, jot down which functions that app handled, just in case you want to replace it with another, or manually check your store functions after you uninstall. This part might take a few moments. Some apps will ask you to confirm, or may offer feedback forms asking why you're canceling. Feel free to breeze past those, unless you want to share. After clicking through, the app is gone, subscription canceled, and you'll instantly have one less thing to think about, and really that's all there is to it. You've just decluttered your dashboard and saved some money in a matter of minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It helps others find the video too. If you have any questions about Shopify apps or run into something unexpected, drop me a comment below and I'm happy to help out. And if you want more tutorials just like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a quick tip for making your store better. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify journey.